Welcome back to Richo Woodworking. Today we're sort of on the set of Richo Hobby and Art because I want to show you this puzzle box that I made. I made it within about a week, spilled over into another week, working on some of the issues. This is a gift that I gave someone for Christmas, and just a simple oak box with dovetails. Show you the bottom, the top, and so it's not one of my more difficult puzzles, but it's something that I wanted to make as a gift for Christmas. And so they've since figured it out and got inside, and so I can show you this video. All right, well, it's a pretty simple mechanism. Turn the top, nothing happens. Let's flip it around. Turn the top, there we go. So the top has two posts, two brass rods. It's actually one that goes through a central circle, and then you just turn it to get it open. So it locks in place, turn, and I had to build this thing and add it to so it wouldn't, when you got two things like this, they're going to want to seesaw. And so to keep it from pivoting and giving away what was inside, I put this thing on to hold it in place. Okay. Inside, basically what I did was I made this so it would be sort of like a packing puzzle. And so this is actually a commercial puzzle that you can buy. It is Block by Block, which is a commercial puzzle from Think Fun. It's one of those things where you have a bunch of pieces and you put them together. And so that's what I did here. And so these items pull out. It takes a little bit of, there we go. It takes a little bit to get them out. So this is a great way of building something that holds something else, like a commercially made puzzle. And then we have the cards. The cards have all the. This is not a promotion. Just this is something that I bought, and I have one myself. And so when I built this, I used mine, and then I bought a separate one for this group to use. And so down inside, well, of course, I've got a secret compartment because why else? Why not? So there's a string. Pull the string. So we got a panel that has magnets on it. They attach to magnets inside. And so, I don't know if you can see that, but there is a small chamber down there that you put something in. I mean, who knows? I've actually thought about putting the little bag that these things came in down there, but then the future owners can put whatever they want down there. And so it's just something extra. And so it's just a simple little box that I built within a week. I did put some shellac on it in the last couple days. And it's a neat little puzzle that you can make for the holidays to send as a gift. Thanks for watching.